kéṣà lọ́jọ́ ayé wa gbogbo. Èmi àjọ máa tún gbẹ́sẹ̀ sókè wípé máa.
Welcome back to my channel. You are welcome back to another cooking video. If today is your first time of stopping by, thank you so much. My name is Stephanie and you are welcome to Stephy's page. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for your support. So in today's video, okay, we're going to be trying Ofada sauce for the very first time. I'm going to be trying Ofada sauce for the very first time. I've never made it before. Like, I've been so scared to make it because of the process of the bleaching the palm oil. You know, without bleaching palm oil. Although some people make it like that, but for you to make Ofada sauce, the main Ofada sauce, you need to bleach your palm oil. And with the things I see online, like there was a news time I saw like an update on Instablog that someone was trying to bleach palm oil. She wants to make Ofada sauce and she ended up burning the house, part of her kitchen. So it's been so scary for me to try. But lately, I learned how to navigate that, like bleaching your palm oil without causing any disaster. So we'll be trying it together for the first time. Let's not waste much of our time. Let's get into cooking. Yay! To start, I'm going to be bleaching my palm oil. This is where the trick is, like very tricky. So you just add the palm oil into the pot. Please do not open it. I'll just add it and then cover it. Please do not open it at any time while it's still on fire, while your gas is still on or maybe still sitting on the top of your gas. So I'll be using that paper towel to just cover that small opening at the cover of my pot. Yeah, so I'll just let this sit for at least 20 minutes. If you see the smoke is still there, so please do not open. Even when you've turned off your gas, just let it cool down for at least 10 minutes before you open. Yeah, so this is it after 10 minutes, after letting it cool down. So this is what we got. The Ofada sauce, I'll be using this mix of pepper. I have green pepper here, tatashe, green scotch bonnet pepper, red scotch bonnet pepper, atarado, and then onion. So in a pot, you just add in your bleached palm oil. I'll be adding in my bleached palm oil. Yeah, you see how beautiful this bleached palm oil is. Yeah, so I got it. I'm so proud of myself. And then I'll be adding in my assorted meat. Like this is mixture of towel, beef, all of them, afuano and everything is inside. So I'll just fry this. And then, yeah. So let's keep going and see what I'm doing. So I think this is okay now. I'll be taking it out. It's already fried. Mind you, this is my first time trying this. So this is where I made the first mistake. I was supposed to chop this onion little by little. Yeah, so I'll just add the iru. That is locust beans. And then I'll fry. This is another mistake I did. Adding I didn't really blend this thing well. I was supposed to blend it more, roughly blend it more, I guess so. But let's keep going and see how it came out. So you see, my pepper still has ice inside. But it's not bad. So I'll just cover this and then I'll come back later. So this is it. By this time, I was so proud of myself. Like, I'm so proud. So I'll just be adding grounded crayfish, and then I'll just stir everything to mix. I'll also add seasoning cube. I'll just add one because that iru made it so tasty. And then there's no need adding too much seasoning cubes. So one was just perfectly okay. So I'll be adding my fried meats, my assorted fried meats that I previously fried. I was so happy to make this. Like, I was so happy. It's been a long time coming. I've been wanting to make this, so I finally did. And then I'll be adding omo. Of course, there must be omo inside. Of course. So yes, and then another main deal I'll be adding into this thing is boiled egg. Boiled eggs. Yeah, so I was supposed to add this before now, so everything will just fry together, but I didn't really see that method. Still, I'm still happy with what I made. Can you look at this? This yummy goodness. So yummy. Oh god, at this time I was so happy. Like, I called everybody I know to tell them I made Ofada sauce. So yeah, I'm going to be serving it. So I saw this thing that they said you putting it on that leaf will make it tasty more. So I had to go and buy. And as God may have it, I had this moi leaf, and then I had to like put it on top. Then what is Ofada without plantain? In fact, what is eating rice without plantain? So this is my Ofada sauce and Ofada rice. I actually bought Ofada rice too, so everything will just blend together. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, so this is what we got. I am so proud of myself that I finally made Ofada sauce. Please leave a comment below to tell me if I did well or not, and then maybe you tell me something else to do to make it better next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you in my next video. Bye.